All right, so on September the 23rd, our anniversary sale is coming up, and we're pumped about it. We want to find out how hot our team thinks the anniversary sale is going to be. I've got cold hard cash to see if they'll eat a habanero pepper. All right, B, you ready to go?
Ready to go.
All right, got the peppers in hand. Here we go. We're about to walk into the front office. The ladies have no idea what's going on. So when we go in here, we're going to offer them some cash to eat a jalapeno pepper. Lexi, would you eat a jalapeno popper for $10?
Not 10.
Would you eat a jalapeno popper for $30? It's not a jalapeno, it's actually a habanero pepper. It's one of the hottest peppers
Double
in the
that, and I
country.
got you.
Oh, we got you.
Would you do it for $50?
Let me see that pepper.
I'm gonna give you $50. You did slow. You were so close.
I just tried to help the video. I was a team player, but forget the team right now.
All right, Ron. Ron, come here just a second. On the 23rd, how hot is the anniversary sale gonna be?
So hot, you won't believe it.
You won't believe it. Would you eat a habanero pepper for $20?
Sure.
You will?
Yeah,
You know it's very hot.
I know.
All right, here we go. Here's the challenge.
today,
Oh, not today. He's not gonna do it. Rod would do it. He's just not doing it today. So now we're walking around detail right now. Chris Hill's over here. Let me ask him how hot anniversary sale is gonna be. Chris, anniversary sale's coming up. This is your 8th one. How hot's it gonna be?
Real hot.
All right, is it as hot as a habanero pepper?
Hotter.
It's even hotter. Would you eat a habanero pepper for $10?
Oh, yeah.
You'll eat one for $10? All right, $10 right here. Chris, this is yours for $10. Now they're hot. Can you stand hot?
We're about to find out.
I'm about to find out. The whole thing's got to go down for $10. Got to get it. What do you think?
It's pretty hot.
It's just pretty hot. Is it hotter than an anniversary sale?
Nah.
Nothing's hotter than anniversary sale at Greenville Auto Auction. Chris just proved it. So Drew, how hot is September 23rd, our anniversary sale gonna be?
Ooh, smoking hot.
Smoking hot. It's gonna be so hot. Is it gonna be as hot as a jalapeno pepper?
Woo! Not even close.
All right, so in this cup right here, we got jalapeno peppers. Would you eat one for $10? They're hot.
Keep your 10, I'll just do it.
Drew is going to do it, and he said, keep your 10. Do you mind hot stuff, Drew?
It was pretty hot. Not as hot as it's going to be on our anniversary.
Oh, I love it. All right, there he is. I see him in my sights. Isaac, we all know you're just a bad man.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, nobody comes on this lot.
Nobody.
Nobody. How
Nobody.
how hot is our 11th anniversary sale going to be this year?
Super hot.
It's going to be
Extremely hot.
Extremely
Smoking
hot.
Can you dig what we're telling you?
Is it going to be
Can you feel
hotter? Is it going to be hotter than a habanero pepper?
Oh yeah, yeah, very much so. Very
Isaac,
much so.
I got a challenge for you.
What's that?
For $10, would you eat a habanero pepper?
Can you dig it?
Would you eat one for $10?
You better believe it.
They're hot.
Super hot.
We got one right here.
I don't know about that.